It's the time for the package from China. Let's go! An unboxing of the classic mini HDMI TV game console, or the codename SX86. Alright, it's me again, and this is not the mini console we have seen in previous videos. No, first of all, it's a clone console or a clone casing of the SNES Mini from Nintendo, and we are using PlayStation controllers. It's really one-on-one copy of the original Nintendo product. Got a power and reset. It's quite heavy for an for a clone version, and this is really unique. It comes with USB connection at the front. That is really unique because I have never seen it before. They usually they normally use the let's say, if I'm saying it correctly, the Sega and Atari port, the old connections, and they are using on the bottom of the remote of the Wii. And this is also very unique. You got an HDMI and AV out, so you can make yourself the decision if you want to use it on an old CRT. You can use the AV out or HDMI on your new LCD. USB connection, not for connecting it to the PC, but this is for the power, and a little SD slot so you can add more games. Because I'm really curious, is it really a one-on-one copy? It looks like a one-on-one copy, but no, it's slightly different. I don't think you can see it in the camera, but if you're putting it side by side, you see a little bit of a difference here. And yeah, of course, the Nintendo product is way better quality. So it looks a little bit like the SNES, but it is not exactly a one-on-one copy. You can see it with little details, and I'm not talking about the decal, but I'm talking about the, and also this is a reset button, and this is totally different. So yeah, people, there's a little bit of a side-by-side comparison of the original Nintendo and the SX86. When booting up the system, this is what we're going to get. It gives a couple of times this notification that we're having an SD card with no card disk. Kind of weird. Nevertheless, every time that we're booting it up, it will show this message, and it's now basically already like flipping out. Oh man. So they were saying you can play PlayStation 1 games on this SNES fake thing, but you can see that it doesn't run like it should be. So PlayStation 1 is just a no-go for this fake SNES Mini Classic from our friends from China. So this device is a great example how bad it can be. So the idea behind it, they want to like go on the hype train with the Super NES clones back in the day, but they are making something is more like a Frankenstein. It's not even a one-on-one copy. It does look very similar in many ways. We have a USB port, but overall the software, the emulation is just a freaking nightmare. And it's in my opinion a big joke. I want to thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, hit that little bell, become on the Wicked family, and I will see you in the next video.